Good morning, I'm Tabitha and I'm going to walk you through what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers.
Alright, so this is everything that I need to start my breakfast. These are light English muffins, they're 2 points. Eggs are 0 points, I chose that as my 0 point food. Organic kiwis, these are 0 points. Velveeta cheese slices, 1.8. Can't believe it's not butter spray, it's 0 points for a few sprays of it. Alright, and here's breakfast. Got more lemon water, and I find this keeps me full until I make my protein coffee after breakfast. Alright, so for my morning protein coffee, I take 2 shots of espresso. This is the iced coffee blend from Espresso. It's the Espresso brand. Pour it over ice. And this is a new protein shake. I have tried it before a while ago, but I got it because I tried the cinnamon vanilla creamer and I really liked it. So I only use half of the shake because half of it, the whole thing is 2 points, but half of it is 1 point. And I find that it's just plenty for me and for my coffee. It sweetens it enough. It definitely makes it really creamy. And it just keeps me full until lunch. And I'm gonna try putting a little bit of cinnamon on top. See how that tastes. Whoa, that's gonna be cinnamony.
Okay, here it is. My 1 point protein coffee. Give it a try. That's really good.
This is my after breakfast snack. Here goes water number 2. I'm getting ready to make my lunch. I'm going to eat this Dole chopped kit avocado ranch, and I'll probably eat about half of this. It's 7 points. You get 3 points back for the veggies, and I'm probably going to add 4 ounces of cucumber for an extra point. And if I'm still hungry after that, I'm going to eat the leftover zucchini from last night with the whole wheat orzo, and this is 0 points. And then this is my salad. It's 7 points total, and then I get 4 points back for the veggies. Leftover orzo and zucchini. Water number 3 is about to go down. These are, I believe, 20 ounces each. I'm just going to add a little squirt of this orange vanilla flavoring with B vitamins. Tastes good. I just had my afternoon workout, so now I'm going to make a little snack to hold me over until dinner. I have 2 for 3 points, and I'm going to eat it with some hummus. This is 1 point for 1 ounce, so I'm going to weigh it out, and some dip. And here is my 4 point snack plate. Alright, it's actually time to start making dinner, and we're having some bone-in pork chops for dinner. Squash, because these are going bad, zucchini, and then I'm going to make some quinoa as well, and I'm going to cook it in this broth. So dinner's all done and we're ready to eat. I weighed my pork and it was 8 ounces, so I'm going to weigh the bones and the fat afterwards so I can find out how much pork and how many points it is. My quinoa is 3 points for 1/4 cup. Of course, my water. I usually always end my day with some snacks, watching TV. I have 11 points left for the day because I earned 6 back, so I'm going to snack on this is 11 points. This is 4 points, 4 points, and 2 of these Kinder chocolates are 3 points.